picking up a Caprice tank, but he got this old two-door Caprice. KCK. I think it says like a 78. AeroCoupe. No Jesus, no peace. That's cool shit. This is a hard car to find. That's real nice. I've been looking for that too. Got the radio face. Door's bad. Get those lights. Little key lock. I gotta find out what year this is. He says it's 78. But I don't have those lights. Man, let me show you what else they got. Got speakers in it too. Bunch of old cars. There's another box Chevy in here. Let me see if I can film that. This box Chevy with the Euros. I know it's the 80s. I don't know what year it is. He thinks like 88. Yeah. Got a Monte Carlo. Oh no, it's a Olds Delta. It says 98. Olds 98. Pillow tops. Very nice. You get your 50s. I think he said a 55 Chevy truck. He was asking if I knew anyone that want this old project. It's pretty rough. I think those like van seats. Still got the engine in it, carb. Got a grill. Missouri Show Me State. Last ran in 96. It's a nice truck. Custom wood console. It's a nice truck, man. It's a nice old truck.
Yeah, I thought about working on it myself, but I got too many other projects.
Yeah.
So I can't split myself that many ways.
Yeah. I mean, it needs. I wonder how hard these panels are to find.
Oh hell, probably in Arizona.
Yeah, Arizona. Yeah. Somewhere where no salt is. Man, I was looking for one of these, but then my wife didn't want a Chevy. She wanted a Ford because her granddad. Yeah, yeah. I got actually. What year is that?
Early 60s. That's all I can tell you. With the looks like a 10-foot bed on that sucker.
Yeah, mine. I think that's what I have a 64 F100. Yeah, but this is what I want. I wanted but I wanted the step side.
Yeah. Well, I thought about putting like a a newer step side bed on it, shortening the frame.
Yep.
That way you just have the cab and fenders.
Yeah.
Here, let me get out the picture, man.
Oh no, you're not on video. I ain't put you on video. I usually ask before. But yeah, that's a nice truck. You see the mice got in here a lot. Who built that console is the question.
Being the console carpenter, I guess.
Wow. That's cool.